the mating season for Japanese macaques. This dominant male is over 20 years old. Age has clouded one eye. He has had a harem of females for many years, and he can mate with them unopposed. But time catches up with everyone. Young rival males are hanging out on the perimeter, eyeing up his females. For years, old Blue Eye has asserted his authority from this tree. But his authority is waning. And the moment his back is turned, his females are lured away by younger males. Throughout the forest, his females are conducting secret affairs. Blue Eye tries to guard his females by patrolling the edge of the troop. Caught in the act, he attacks his unfaithful female. He has reasserted his authority. Or so he thinks. The moment the old male shuts his eyes, his females are off again. Most of next year's babies will be fathered by his rivals, and he will never know.